Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Taboola account. So if you also want to log in Taboola account, this video is just for you. Follow simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in www.taboola.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Taboola. From here, you'll be able to drive business results by reaching people genuinely, effectively at just the right moment. If you do not have an account, you can click on the option Get Started. After that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. But if you want to log into existing accounts, simply click on the option Login that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to new interface. From here, you'll be able to sign into your account. You have three options to sign in. You can either sign in with Google, or you can also provide the email and password, or you can also sign in with one-time link. If you want to sign in with email and password, all you have to do is enter your email and password. After that, click on the sign in option that you can see right over here. If you want to sign in with Google, simply click on the option sign in with Google. You might have to choose an account to continue. After that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Taboola account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.